Long ago in Arabia land, lived an old fisherman, brave and kind. Every day he cast his net to earn a little money yet.
Every day he cast his net to earn a little money yet.
Every day he cast his net, some days lucky, some days wet. Sometimes fish, sometimes none, still he smiled when day was done. Once that day no fish appeared, the old man sighed, his heart felt tired.
Just as hope was fading fast, his net grew heavy at last.
Something in the net,
Can't be something in the net.
what is this?
What is it?
What can it be?
Can it be?
Fish or goat?
Fish or goat?
From the deep blue sea. Pull it up, pull it tight, something's coming into sight. Not a fish, not shining gold, just a bottle green and old.
Clean it up until he thought better than the fish he caught.
Seal bottle,
Teeth free, the
seal bottle,
shut sealed bottle.
wax seal tight.
Stopper strong,
What's inside?
what could be wrong?
Shake it, look, curiosity. Open up and wait and see. Pop, the cork flew far away. Smoke rose up in a magical way. Growing taller, huge and wide, a giant genie burst outside.
The Iron Genie burst outside.
2,000 years trapped tight, shouted Genie full of spite. Sword in hand, angry eyes.
I'll cut your head, the genie cries.
The fisherman smiled, calm and wise. I don't believe your scary lies. You're too big, the bottle's small. Show me how you fit at all.
Show me how you fit at all.
Cork pushed in and sealed once more. Threw the bottle from the shore. Off it floated far and wide, the genie trapped inside the tide.
Only trapped inside.